In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PHP version in Cloudways. Before we jump in, a quick note on what we're doing. Changing the PHP version affects how your applications run on that server. It's a server-level setting in Cloudways, so every app on that server uses the same PHP version. Make sure the frameworks, plugins, and extensions your apps rely on are compatible with the version you plan to use. It's also wise to make sure you have a recent backup in place, especially when moving between major versions. Start by logging into your Cloudways dashboard. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click Servers. You'll see a list of your servers. Choose the server where your application is hosted so we can apply the change in the right place. Inside the server view, you'll land on the Server Management panel. From the left-hand menu, open Settings and Packages, and then switch to the Packages tab. This is where Cloudways groups software components that you can manage for the server. Find the PHP section. You'll see the current PHP version displayed, along with a drop-down menu of the versions available to your server. Cloudways keeps this list limited to versions that are supported on your stack. So, if you don't see a particular release, it likely isn't supported on that server. Newer Cloudways servers generally support recent versions like 8.4, while older servers may offer a shorter list. If you need a newer PHP version than what's shown, that usually means the server image is older and may need a separate upgrade path, but for now we'll work with the options provided. Open the drop-down and select the PHP version you want, such as 8.0, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, or 8.4. When choosing, consider your application's requirements. For example, some frameworks require at least PHP 8.1 to access performance improvements and security updates, while legacy code might need extra compatibility testing before moving to a newer release. After selecting your desired version, click Save. Cloudways will apply the change on the server. This can trigger a quick service restart, and it may take a minute or two to complete. During this time, you might notice a brief interruption while PHP FPM reloads. That's normal. Once the update finishes, the PHP section will show your new active version confirming the change. That's it. You've updated the PHP version on your Cloudways server using the dashboard. Keeping PHP current improves performance and security, and with this workflow, you can make the adjustment safely and predictably whenever your applications are ready.